in just a few hours, the suspect in a deadly carjacking will be in court for a plea hearing.
The family, though, of that victim raising concerns about this proposed plea deal. They say it's far too lenient, and they're not happy about it. Bill Keller live for us at the Hennepin County Courthouse with a preview of what we expect today. Good morning, Bill.
Good morning. In fact, this 20-year-old who is charged in this deadly carjacking, he faces 2 counts of second-degree murder. His accomplice was sentenced to decades behind bars, but prosecutors say this suspect they believe would do better on the outside. Husayn Braveheart was just 15 years old when he and that other teen carjacked Stephen Markey in North Minneapolis. While both teens opened fire, they used their weapons. It was only the bullet from Jared Osmond's gun that killed the 39-year-old. Osmond pled guilty to second-degree murder. He was sentenced to nearly 22 years in prison. After spending 4 years in jail, prosecutors are now offering Braveheart a deal. If he pleads guilty to aiding and abetting second-degree murder, he'll be sentenced to just 5 years of probation, a punishment the victim's father says doesn't fit the crime.
He's got a lengthy juvenile detention history of felony and misdemeanor charges, arrest warrants, and probation. This man has threatened Hennepin County residents repeatedly with firearms. He's carjacked numerous times. He's murdered people. This man does not deserve probation. Well, I say anybody who's done numerous carjackings with firearms and killed my son and attacked the jail personnel when he is in jail is not a good risk for the citizens of Hennepin County.
Yeah, this is, by the way, the latest case in which the county attorney, Mary Moriarty, is being criticized for a controversial deal. She argues that Braveheart has completed multiple treatment programs, and she feels confident that sending him to prison would likely make him more dangerous when he eventually gets out. The plea deal still needs the judge's approval, and Markey's family will be urging that judge to reject it at today's hearing. If his plea deal falls apart, a jury trial is scheduled to begin in October. Alex.